بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Now this ayah was revealed at that time to the disbelievers. Where were they living? Desert. What is around them? Camels, sky, earth, and mountains. Number one, why the camels were mentioned in this surah, in the Quran? Because it's in front of their eyes. So when I need to teach someone about Allah, I bring an example, I see it. أَفَلَا يَنظُرُونَ إِلَى الْآيْفُونَ. I really mean it. Who created it? Right? Who created it? Steve Jobs. Allah taught him and he came up with it. But he didn't create it. Allah created it. Isn't that enough? That does everything. So look at the camel for them. So the ibil, because of the multiple benefits of that animal that is persistently around them, for you and me these days, look around you. أَفَلَا يَنظُرُونَ. The idea is not the ibil itself, but the idea is look and see and learn. Because to get to Jannatun Aliyah, I need to reflect on the creation of Allah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Azra Hajij and I have been a student of Jannah Institute for nearly 2 years now. I've made it a commitment to register for the Learn, Love, and Live the Quran course each semester because it strengthened my relationship with the Quran and helped me understand the lessons Allah is teaching us in His ayat. Dr. Haifa does an excellent job in not only explaining the verses, but also providing the context and giving us action items on how to apply the lessons in our daily lives. I would highly recommend this course to any sister that wants to understand the Quran and implement its teachings.